Somebody once asked me if I'd be willing to convert a tour bus into an RV, and I thought, well, yeah, sure, I'll give it a try. I mean, how hard can it be? I talked to a bunch of diesel repairmen and I asked them what the best combination of transmission and motor would be. And everybody said the Detroit 60 series and an Allison 500 series. So once I had that information, I thought, well, shoot, okay, off I'll go and I'll find one. Once I knew which engine and transmission I wanted, I started looking for manufacturers that use that combination. Turns out that Prevost, made up in Quebec, Canada, used that combination for a long time before Volvo bought them. So I knew what to look for. I also found out that when most people convert tour buses, they end up taking the front windshields out to load furniture and stuff into it, and I sure didn't want to do that. And luckily, I found a bus that had a handicap door on the side that was 4 feet wide, so problem solved. The bus is a 2003 Prevost. It came from Holiday Tours in North Carolina, and I paid $49,000 for the bus. Holiday Tours had a connection with a paint shop back there, and so I had them painted with colors and a color scheme that I had picked before they delivered it. The cost of painting was $12,000. Holiday Tours had removed all of the seats, but I had to remove the overhead bins and the bathroom and back and all of the ceiling panels. They were tough because they were glued and riveted in place. Here's a view looking backwards once everything was cleaned up, and here's a view looking forward. In order to get a firm attachment to the curved metal structure of the bus, I started with 2x4s. I slit them part way through so they could curve, and then glued and screwed them onto the metal tubing. Then I just started adding pieces. I also put 1/2-inch plywood on the floor so I'd have a nice clean surface to work on. I wanted to do the bedroom first so I could get a feeling for what the rest of the vehicle would look like. So far, so good. I am very happy with the outcome. I've never cared for the small shower stalls in most RVs, so I decided to pick a full-size shower stall designed for a house. Once the shower was in place, we picked a location for the toilet and started putting up some more walls. I kept the bathroom in the center of the bus so that you could get to it through a side door, or you could get to it privately from inside the bedroom. For added convenience, I decided to put a washer-dryer machine in the hall so that fit right on the outside of the bathroom. Here's a view from the hallway looking into the bedroom, and then if you go over to the bed and turn around, you're looking at the wall with the medicine cabinet on it, and over to the left is the narrow hallway that runs down to the bathroom. That's the private access for the bedroom. And here's the bathroom with the shower built in, and if you turn around at the shower, there's the toilet sitting right there. The wastewater tank is 250 gallons and is a combination of gray and black water. I use flexible rubber joints on the pipes to avoid vibration problems. The kitchen uses a full-size house sink, and the top of the kitchen counter is made of butcher block acacia wood. Looking down the hall, you can see the washer-dryer unit and a utility sink next to it. The refrigerator-freezer combination is just a standard 7 cubic foot house unit. The dining table has a fold-down leaf for saving space, and the top surface lifts up for storage access underneath. The living room has a nice leather reclining love seat, TV, and a sound bar. Everything you need for a good evening. Well, that's about it. It took about a year and a half to make it, working maybe 15 to 20 hours a week. The next video I do will be an actual video that's a walkthrough of the bus so you can get a better sense for where everything is laid out. Thanks for watching.